Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you how I use my barcode strips for those 6x8. Let me show you. For those 6x8 papers that we have, you know how, for example, this one. This is a 6x8 paper pad from the Flourish collection. So for these tabs, I just want to show you what I use with them so we don't waste the paper. What I do is I layer them up like this, and then I put a die cut and then put a sentiment. And this is going to be part of a swap that I'm doing with my friend in Instagram. Her name is Gayle. I'm going to link her channel down below. She also has a YouTube channel. So we're doing a Maggie Holmes embellishment swap. And I was thinking maybe this inspires you to use your scrap stash today. Just layers and layers of that paper that we normally throw away. And I thought these are so cute to be part of the swap. And it's all coordinated because they came from the same designer. Isn't that cute? And you just add your own sentiments to it that you can stamp. I normally like stamping my sentiments. Isn't that cute, guys? If you have any questions, let me know down below. I hope you can like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And this is Christian signing off. Have a wonderful crafty day, guys. Bye!